Here we have a 2019 69 plate BMW 320d M Sport. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked and 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. We have your LED headlights, the black front kinny grills. Now we do have the M Sport styling kit fitted to this vehicle, so you get the black front splitter, the side skirt extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Now, matching with the M Sport kits, we do have the blacked out styling, so you get the black wheels with the black window trim and also the privacy glass on the rear. You have your dual chrome tip exhaust flush to the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. Now, you get a front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Now, as you can see, this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. If I get to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. As you can see, we do have the cream full leather seats throughout this vehicle with your ISOFIX points, pull down armrest. You also have your climate control just in the rear there as well. On the doors, you have your electric windows, ambient lighting just there. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are fully heated and have the extended thigh support. As you can see, in very, very good condition, very, very comfortable seats indeed. Electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, integrated speakers, ambient lighting just there as well. Having a quick look at the interior of the car, you have your auto light shifts down here, a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter, paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any more lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 20,898 miles. Now, the screen in the centre, you can see the satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth medium, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. You also have your Bluetooth medium, Bluetooth audio. Front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, as you can see just there. Also have your maps, navigation media. We have your DAB radio. You also have your Spotify just there as well. And also your music collection, Bluetooth audio, screen mirror devices. You have different drive modes, so you have Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport and Individual, and you can configure Individual just there to suit your driver preferences. It's entirely up to you. Dual zone climate control just here with 2 heated front seats which work exactly how you would expect them to. As you can see, you have ice cold aircon, so hot days like today really does make all the difference. Pop this open where you can see the BMW individual trim with your wireless charging, your USB and also 2 nice size cup holders and 12 volt connectivity. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video, go through all the different specifications that do come with this vehicle. Now it's available to take away today with free content station by next day delivery. It is HPI clear, comes a fresh service and we do have a competitive finance. Thank you very much for watching.